mode button automatically turns your Vapure VP series salt chlorinator set point down by 50% when the unit is in either auto or on mode. You can change this by pressing plus or minus to increase the output. In this case, we'll take it down to 30%. Once you've reached the desired set point, just press OK to save the setting. As you can see, the output has dropped down to 30%. You can also enter into this menu by pressing OK and then scrolling with the buttons. If you wish to simply take the winter mode off, just press the winter mode button again. As you can see, the output now increases up to the previous set point, in this case 100%. If you want to enter into the menu to do it through there, press OK. Use your buttons plus or minus to scroll. Head down to the winter mode or blanket, which is setting number 13. Press OK. Here we've got a set point of 30% because that's what we set it to previously. We can increase that by using our buttons, then press OK to save the selection. And back to the DDS. Now it's set to the output that we've asked it to go to. If you want to exit that, just press winter mode again. In the next video, we'll look at changing the clock setting on the Vapure chlorinator.